Hello, crafty friends! My name's Alicia, but you can call me Crafty Al. And welcome to day 10 of my 2024 Spellbinders Crafty Advent series. Spellbinders generously sent me one of their advent calendars to open and share with you here on my channel. So each day from the 1st to the 24th, I'm going to have a quick and fun video to show you what's behind the new door and create a project. For day 10, the gift was a set of 3 sentiment dies, which when you die cut them and put them together, they read "Just Saying Hello." I knew for today's creation that I would need something else to go on my square, so I pulled out this discontinued I Dance die set from Spellbinders, and I put together that large focal flower from the set. For the main base today, I cut a scrap of white glitter cardstock to a 2 3/4 inch square, and then I spent some time kind of laying out the main flower and the sentiment to kind of see where everything should go. When I did have a nice layout, I brought in some liquid glue, and the first thing I adhered was the sentiment. I used some tweezers to help me hold each of the words while I added the glue, and then I placed it onto the square. And this liquid glue, again, it just gives me some time to adjust it to make sure the sentiment was nice and straight across. Once I had each of the words in place, it was time to arrange my flower, and I brought in some of the leaves and just placed those around the edges. I didn't end up using all that I cut. It was just a little too much for this size. But once I had those figured out where I wanted them, I adhered my flower down, and I only put glue in the center for now, because as I add each of the leaves, I want to be able to tuck those in behind the flower. So once those were all in place, I set it aside to dry completely. If you are enjoying this series, I think you're going to love my daily Advent lives. Make sure to check out the link at the top of the description box below and join me for the next live stream where I will be opening multiple crafty calendars and creating a new tag each day. Once I knew all those elements had dried, I got my decorated piece added to a black square mat that I cut while I was waiting. That is a 3-inch square, and you'll notice that some of the leaves hang over onto that frame. I just think it gives a piece a little extra motion. For this series, I made a special little mini photo album, and each day's creation is going to get turned into kind of an instant photo, or what you might know as a polaroid. So once I had my square done, I got it added to the top center of my background piece, and then it's just going to get put back in the album, so at the end of the month I will be able to go back and just see what each day's little gift was. It's such a fun and cute way to remember this series. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel and you would like to be notified of my next Advent video, make sure to click on that subscribe button below and ring the bell for all notifications. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch all the way to the end of the video. I hope now you'll consider clicking on one of the videos or playlists I have linked above. And if you are interested in any of the products or tools I used in today's video, I do have some links in the description box below.